Hey everyone, do you want to create a brand new Facebook account on your mobile phone, but you're not sure how to get started? If that's the case, you're in the perfect place. In this video, I'm going to show you the latest method for 2026 to create a Facebook account step by step. And the best part is, by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to set up your own Facebook ID in less than 5 minutes. Yes, it's that quick and super easy to do. So if you're ready, let's jump right in. First, go ahead and open the Facebook app on your phone. Now, if you don't already have the Facebook app installed, don't worry. Simply head over to the Google Play Store if you're using an Android phone, or the Apple App Store if you're using an iPhone, and download the Facebook app from there. Once the app is installed, open it up, and we'll move on to the next step. Alright, so creating a Facebook account is actually very simple. Setting up a new Facebook ID only takes a few easy steps. But there's one important thing you need to do while watching this tutorial. Make sure you watch the video carefully from start to finish. A lot of people make the mistake of skipping ahead in the video. When you fast forward, you might miss an important step, and that's often the reason why your Facebook account doesn't get created successfully. So try not to skip any part of the video. Just follow along step by step, and you'll be able to create your Facebook account without any problems. Now, since we want to create a brand new Facebook account, the next step is to tap on the Create New Account option on the screen. Then, a screen like this will appear on your phone. Here, you'll once again see the option that says Create New Account. To continue setting up your Facebook account, simply tap on Create New Account. After that, Facebook may ask for permission to access your contacts. This helps Facebook find people you might know and makes it easier to connect with friends. If you want to allow this, you can simply tap Allow. For this tutorial, I'm going to tap on Allow. But if you prefer not to share your contacts, you can also tap Don't Allow. Either option will let you continue creating your Facebook account. After that, you'll see the option to enter your name. Here, you need to type the name you want to use for your Facebook account. For example, my name is Abalin, and you're currently watching the Webbyfans YouTube channel. By the way, if you haven't liked this video yet, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and give it a quick like. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because every single like and subscription really motivates us to keep creating more helpful videos for you. Now, in the last name field, simply enter your surname, whatever your last name is. So I'm going to type my surname here. Once that's done, just tap on the next option to continue. Next, Facebook will ask for your date of birth. On this screen, you'll need to select your birthday. A date picker will appear where you can choose the day, month, and year. So here, I'm going to scroll through the options and select my birth date. Once you've chosen the correct day, month, and year, simply tap on the Set button to confirm it. After setting your birthday, just tap on the Next button to move forward with creating your Facebook account. Next, Facebook will ask you to select your gender. On this screen, you'll see a few options such as female, male, and more options. Here, simply choose the option that best describes you. For this example, I'm going to select male. After selecting your gender, just tap on the Next button to continue with the Facebook account setup. Next, Facebook will ask you to enter your mobile number. On this screen, you can type in the phone number you want to use with your account. Facebook may use this number for verification, security, and account recovery. But don't worry, if you'd rather not use your phone number, there's another option available. Instead, you can sign up using your email address. So in this example, I'm going to choose the email method. To do that, I'll simply tap on Sign Up with Email, and we'll continue setting up the Facebook account from there. Now, Facebook will ask you to enter your email address. As you can see, Facebook may automatically fetch an email from our device and fill it in here. If you want to use a different email address, you can simply change it from this field. Once your email is correct, just tap on the Next button to continue with the Facebook account setup. Next, Facebook will ask you to create a password for your account. On this screen, simply enter a strong password. It should be at least 6 characters long and something that others can't easily guess. For better security, try to use a combination of letters, numbers, or symbols. Once you've entered your password, just tap on the next button to continue setting up your Facebook account. Next, Facebook will ask if you want to save your login information. If you choose to save it, you won't need to enter your email and password every time you log in on this device. This can make logging in faster and more convenient in the future. For this example, I'm going to tap on Save to continue. Next, Facebook will ask you to agree to its terms and policies. On this screen, you can review Facebook's terms, privacy policy, and cookies policy, which explain how your information is used and how the platform works. To continue creating your account, you'll need to accept these terms. So for this example, I'll simply tap on I agree to move forward. Next, Facebook will ask you to confirm your account. On this screen, you'll need to enter the confirmation code that was sent to your email address. Simply check your inbox, find the 5-digit verification code, and type it into the confirmation code field. Once you've entered the code, tap on Next to continue. If you didn't receive the code, you can tap I didn't get the code to request a new one. Next, Facebook will ask you to add a profile picture. Adding a profile picture helps your friends recognize you and makes your account look more complete. For this example, I'm going to add a profile picture, so I'll tap on Add Picture. Then I'll select my profile picture from the gallery. After choosing the image, I'll simply tap on Done to upload it and continue. Once your profile picture is added, Facebook will welcome you to your new account. On this screen, you'll see a message saying, Welcome to Facebook, along with your name. This means your account has been successfully created. From here, Facebook will start customizing your experience so you can begin connecting with friends, exploring content, and setting up your profile. Next, Facebook will ask if you want to turn on contact uploading to help you find friends faster. This feature allows Facebook to access your phone's contacts so it can suggest people you may know. For this example, I'll skip this step for now, so I'll tap on Not Now to continue. You can always enable this feature later from the settings if you want to find friends more easily. After that, Facebook will take you to the home screen. This is your Facebook feed, where you can see posts, stories, and updates from friends and pages you follow. At the top, you can create a post by tapping on What's on your mind, or share a story by tapping on Create Story. From here, you can start exploring Facebook, adding friends, and interacting with content on your feed. Now, tap on the 3 lines in the top right corner of the screen. Next, tap on your profile icon to open your profile page. Then, tap on the cover image area if you want to change your cover photo. After that, scroll down and go to Personal Details. Finally, tap on the pencil icon to edit your personal information. Now you are on the Edit Profile page. Here, you can update your personal details such as your current city, hometown, birthday, relationship status, and gender. If you want to change any information, simply tap on the pencil icon next to that section. You can also scroll down to add or edit your work experience, education, hobbies, and interests. After making your changes, make sure to save or confirm the updates before leaving the page. And that's it. That's how you can easily create your Facebook account step by step. Friends, if this video helped you even 1%, please take a second and write thanks or thank you in the comment section. I read every comment, and your support really motivates me to make more helpful videos. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.